Now let's take a look at the dwarfs, and I'm not going to go over all of these because there's too many to go over. It would be a very long video. But let's just look at some of the nosy family because they are setting fruit. That one looks like it may have a little blossom end rot for a first fruit. This is one of the lemon ice. This is a pink passion, nice heart-shaped fruit. A lemon ice that's setting some very big fruit. There will be some blossom end rot on that one as well. Hope it outgrows it. I think it's setting too many fruits at once. I'm going to have to pull some of these. But they are coming out heart-shaped. There's one that doesn't have blossom end rot in here. This is golden heart, and heart-shaped fruit in there. And there's scarlet heart. But you can see that these dwarfs, which are going to need some additional tying as they're getting quite heavy, are all about 3 feet tall. Most of them are setting copious amounts of blooms, some of which are blooming right off the top, which we often see. And the plants are just beautiful. There is a little bit of foliage disease showing up on the bottom, but that's pretty typical. Here's a sweet Adelaide. This is one called Loaves and Fishes that one of our growers named Rena found out of Whitty. Let's see if I can find a few that may be of particular interest, because we have some interesting hybrids, one of which is called Dainty. Katrina has crossed a few dwarfs with dwarfs, and so therefore the F1 is going to be a dwarf. And this looks like it's Dainty. Here we go. Some nice oblate looking fruit in there. And I think this is Harmony. Harmony is just setting fruit. And I believe this is Cheeky. And Cheerful, sorry. And Cheerful is setting fruit as well. So the ones in the black grow bags that have been only planted for a week or so, maybe 2 weeks, are about 1 foot to 1.5 foot tall. The ones that are in the white grow bags are about 2 feet tall, actually, when you take into consideration the height of the bag. But at this point, I have to say I'm really pleased with how things are growing. The weather has been perfect to this point. We haven't really had many 90-degree days. And that is a segmented and maybe not so quick, but at least a comprehensive look around what I'm growing and how it's looking. And at least we'll get kind of a marker in the ground of how things looked on June 1st.